So let's turn things back over to Lena. I know you're kind of following two different weather stories here, the heat here at home, the hurricane to the south.
Yeah, absolutely. We've got a lot going on in the weather department. I know a lot of meteorologists across the country did not get much sleep last night, and a lot of course, people out in the field reporting on Laura overnight into this morning when it made landfall at 1 a.m. along the coast of Louisiana. And it continues to be pretty strong at this point, is actually weakening though, thankfully, as it moves over land, and those things kind of tear it apart, but still producing winds of 70 miles per hour. So that is below Category 1 strength, now probably going to be considered a tropical storm, and then it'll continue to weaken into a depression and just a remnant low in the next few days. Right now, our KB Complete City Cam showing you all points of Kansas City, or at least our area. This is Lawrence here. This one in the bottom right-hand corner is Lake of the Ozarks, where showers and storms moved through just a moment ago from Laura. The actual outflow from this system is producing some of those showers and storms out there in Missouri. Right now, here is the latest. Again, max winds of 70 miles per hour. The gusts are as high as 90. So this thing is still producing very strong wind. And of course, flash flooding is going to be a big concern as it makes its way across Arkansas into southern Missouri. So here's the latest on our satellite and radar picture. You can see that band that developed within the last hour and a half or so. Lots of lightning here between Golden City, east of I-49, up into central Missouri, just past Lebanon. And you can see this is drifting north and west and going to reach the southeastern edge of our viewing area just near Fristow. I think you could see some of that rain here within the next half hour to 45 minutes. It's moving pretty slowly, as you notice. This is the last hour, this little time lapse here. The rest of our viewing area is just fine. We've been dealing with a lot of heat and humidity the last couple of days, and that trend continues for at least another 24 hours. Today we'll get to the low 90s while these numbers are showing upper 80s. Some spots may get a little warmer, especially where there will be more sunshine just anywhere east of I-35. So we may get a little bit more cloud cover between Harrisonville, Lacine, Butler, off to the east near Sedalia and Marshall. There's a slight chance of rain tonight there, but everywhere else, the farther north and west you live, you should be dry. Now, Friday morning looks pretty mild to begin with. Temperature starting out near 70, and then we'll be back near 90 degrees as we head through the afternoon. Here's the latest, or the last time that the National Hurricane Center will do an hourly update of the position, but the track still takes it through Arkansas as we head through Friday morning as a post-tropical system, as you see that here, and it will continue to show signs of weakening as it moves into middle Tennessee and pushes off to the east. So we are not going to see some huge impacts from this system, but we may get a little more moisture to the south and east of us as we head through the next day. So here is our forecast track. We've been talking about two cold fronts coming through. The first one may bring us a little brief cool down, but I think it's the second one that'll create a bigger cool down for us. You'll see by 3 o'clock in the afternoon Friday, it'll just be to our north. As it sweeps through, it could produce a few showers, maybe a strong or severe thunderstorm, especially in north central Missouri late Friday night into very early Saturday. The Storm Prediction Center actually has that area under a slight risk for severe weather. Now, Saturday morning may see an isolated or a pop-up shower just kind of linger there in some parts of our viewing area, but most of Saturday is dry. I think we're talking about the second one arriving. This one will produce a better chance for showers and storms and a bigger cool down. In fact, temperatures next week may be in the 70s. Carolyn?
All right. Thank you, Alina.